How to manage JavaScript access on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage JavaScript access on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click this 3 points here in the top corner, and now click settings and then go down until you find this one, site settings, and then you will find this one here, JavaScript. Click on it and here you can manage JavaScript access, and you can add a site exception. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.